Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for unboxing this new style by Amore, which is Rohan in Silver Oyster R. If you're wondering, I'm wearing Mira by Amore as well, another one of the new styles coming out in ginger brown. And I do have a review for Mira and I will link it up here somewhere, just so you know. Right, but this is about Rohan. So let's open it up. I don't get to try many silvery looking colors, so I'm really interested to see what this one looks like. But you can already see these waves here. It's beautiful. All right, let's take off the netting, and it sits so nicely and secure on tissue paper, so it protects the style as well as the delicate lace front. So let's look at the cap construction on Rohan. We have a mono top, an extended lace front, open weft, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, and we have velvet covered ear tabs. Quite a lot of stretch in this cap. Mira is a fully hand-tied cap, but the rest of the cap features are the same. Oh, look at these waves. So you can tell already there are quite a lot of layers in here. So, which I can only assume gives it a lot of lovely movement. This is really gorgeous. I think this looks like a lovely color that you can substitute blondes in. If you get a little bit bored of blonde colors, you might want to go into this a bit. Especially if you really like platinum colors, etc. Quite light as well. Right, let's try it on. We take Mira off. Oh. Oh, this is cute. Look at it. Wow. And really light, really light. Well, let me do 4-finger test. Yeah, sits at the right spot. This is adorable. A few flyaways here, but that's just normal. Let me not play with it too much so you'll see what it looks like straight out of the box. Oh, it's so cute. This is absolutely adorable. This is a great mid-length style. Effortlessly stylish. I can't feel any permatease here. Just a bit of tease around the wefts, but nothing bulky, nothing big. Wow. Yeah, you have some flyaways here. This is adorable. Oh, and I actually really quite like this color. It's almost like a platinum blonde with roots. It's gorgeous. Let's look at the lace front. Wow, look at this lace front. I really feel that Amore, Rene of Paris have really stepped up their game. Look at this. Look how natural this looks. Wow, I am really impressed. Heat-friendly fibers, so if you don't like this wave pattern or you just get bored, you can change it. You can just straighten it out or add a different wave or curl pattern to it. I don't have the ability to do that, so I just stick with this. This is, oh, I love it. This is gorgeous. So tell me what you think of Rohan, and especially tell me what you think of this color. Really interested to hear your views on the color as well. This is available from Adrian's Trend Co. Use code K20 for an amazing 20% off, and the link to this piece is down below in the description box. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon for my review of Rohan. Bye!